children.
Hello, children. Today, I will tell you about something very interesting. We will talk about the volume of a sphere. This is a very important topic in mathematics that will help you understand how to measure the space inside a sphere. Come with me to the meadow, where our forest residents are already waiting. In the meadow, Mouse and Mole met. Mouse, always curious, asked Mole what the volume of a sphere is. Mole, full of enthusiasm, replied that the volume of a sphere is the amount of space inside it. Mouse, a bit timid, asked how to measure it. Mole, forgetful as always, began to talk about different objects he had seen, but he could not quite remember how to do it. In the end, I explained that the volume of a sphere can be calculated using a special mathematical formula. Bunny and Squirrel met under a big oak tree. Bunny, clever as always, started explaining to Squirrel that the volume of a sphere is something that can be measured using a formula. Squirrel, energetic and always on the move, began running around, collecting various objects that might resemble spheres. Bunny, though impulsive, explained that the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius raised to the power of 3. Hedgehog and Bear met by the stream. I asked them how to calculate the volume of a sphere with a radius of 3 meters. Hedgehog, quiet and shy but very helpful, replied that they need to use the formula 4/3 times pi times 3 meters cubed. Bear, the gentle giant, a bit slow, added that the result would be in cubic meters. Both animals answered correctly, and I praised them for their good work. Children, today we learned how to calculate the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is the amount of space inside it, and the formula to calculate it is 4/3 times pi times the radius raised to the third power. Remember also about the volume units, which are always cubic, meaning they are also raised to the third power. I hope you had fun and learned something new. See you next time.